How to enable always on display on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. So if you want to enable always on display on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, then here are some steps. So the always on display is a feature that displays essential information on your phone's screen even when it's turned off. This information can include the time, date, battery level, notifications, and more. Always on display can be a helpful way to keep track of important information, without having to wake up your phone completely. To enable the always on display, you need to open up your settings on your Xiaomi Redmi and then go to the display option. Under display, you need to choose the always on display option. Once you tap on always on display, switch to turn it on. You can then customize the display options such as the clock style, the information that is displayed, and the time when always on display is turned on and off. You also have an option to use always on display for a specific time period. That is, you can use it for 10 seconds after tapping, or use it in always mode, or you can use it from scheduled time. Or if you have any concerns about the battery drain, because that are natural when discussing always on display features. However, Xiaomi has addressed this concern by implementing a power efficient algorithm. This feature intelligently manages power consumption, ensuring that it has a minimal impact on battery life. Through the use of low power components, Xiaomi only consumes a fraction of the battery while delivering a visually appealing and informative lock screen experience. So here are some of the things that you can do with Xiaomi, which is always on display. You can check the time and date without waking up your phone. You can see the notifications without having to unlock your phone, or you can use always on display as a clock when you're in bed. You can personalize your always on display with different lock styles and colors. So that's how you can enable always on display on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.